Hey, so our project for ECE 4760 is the image plotter, and basically what we did was we took a very old pen plotter, ripped out all of the control circuitry and the guts, and left just the motors for actuation, the solenoid for the pen movement, as well as the two potentiometers for positional feedback. And instead of all the control circuitry that was in here originally, we recreated kind of our own version using H-bridges, PWM for control, and analog feedback read in through the ADCs.
So you're using the original servo pots from the plotter for the feedback.
That's right. So we've got this little interface on our computer to load up an image file and load up this picture of a diode, and can scale it down a little bit. And MATLAB does some image processing to find the lines in an image, and we want to redraw these lines.
And you're doing analog lines, right? You're doing smooth lines.
That's right. So some image like line recreators will step in X and Y directions incrementally to recreate angles, but we do smooth lines by using some relation between the X and Y motor speeds. So now I can send this data over UART, and our plotter starts to draw the image.
Pretty fast.
We actually had to keep the speed up so that we can achieve certain ratios between the motor speeds. Because of that, we can hit accurate angles between something like 10 and 80 degrees. And then, of course, horizontal and vertical lines work just fine.
And this is the overrun that you mentioned here, where because
the motors coast a little bit after we tell them to stop, so they overshoot a little bit on lines, but for our purposes and just kind of re-sketching an image, it works fine. And now it's on this whiteboard, and you can mark up your image or draw on it or do whatever you need to. And it's a pretty faithful recreation of this diode diagram we started with.
Very cool. A lot of detailed engineering work to make this go, to get all that all the feedback working. It's very cool. Thank you.
Thank you.